Alright, welcome back everyone. So let's quickly learn some comparison operators. So we have started dealing with conditional statements. So and then as we move on, we will start comparing some things, some variables, and all of that. So we need to understand some comparison operators. So there are many of them, but let me just talk about these main ones. This first one, when you see this sign of what we are used to be equal to, when you see it double this way, it means equal to. When you see it three times, it means equal value and equal type. When you see this exclamation mark with equal to, it means not equal. Are you getting that? So not equal. Then this one, it means, so this is not equal. I don't mean to write type there. Not equal. This one means not equal value or equal type. This means greater than, less than, then greater than or equal to, then this one also means less than or equal to. So let's quickly do so. So I've declared a variable a to be 6. So to have the value of 6 now, so console.log, so let me just see, let's see, okay, I can just say hey, then just this. Okay, let me use like 8, and then let me save, and then let's go to our browser. So let's go to our browser to view it. So let me come back here to refresh. So under console.log, you see it is telling us false because a is not equal to 8. So let me change it to 6 and see what it's going to give us. Then it's going to show us true now. Alright, so let's check the other one. Exclamation then equal to. So a is not equal to 6. Meanwhile, in reality, a is actually equal to 6. So this is going to give us false. Let's check. So we have true here before. Let's refresh now. So it is giving us false. Okay. So let's say I have let me declare another variable. Let be equal to 6. 2. So I still want to use 6. So now in this case, we realize that okay, a is having, okay, they're having the same value this way. Let me put another one. Let's say 7. So this way now, a, they are of the same type because they are numeric, but they are not of the same value. So let me say a then this double equal to, then I'll put b. Can you see it now? So in the real sense, this means a is not, it does not have the same, does not have equal value or equal type with b. So it has equal type, but it does not have equal value. So let me save and come back here to refresh. So it's going to tell us true. Can you see that now? So it's going to show us that it is true. So let me give it another type now. Okay, or let me change this to this. So a and b, they have equal type, but they are not of equal value, so it's still going to give us false. Okay, that is true before, so it's going to change it to false. Can you see it now? Okay, so let me find, okay, so that is just it. Then what other things? Greater than, less than, all these ones we are used to it. So just know it. See you in the next class. All right, bye.